Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing the day's buildup. Take a 5–10 minute shower, concentrating on underarms, groin, and feet while using a mild soap to avoid drying. Next, brush for 2 minutes, floss, and rinse with mouthwash so your smile feels and smells clean. Once out, pat skin dry, don't rub, and put on freshly laundered clothes in breathable fabrics. These steps set the foundation for looking clean and fresh right away, so you can build on them without redoing basics. Now refine your appearance. Trim nails and tidy facial hair so edges look intentional. A quick eyebrow tidy keeps your face framed. For skin, cleanse and apply a half pea-sized moisturizer, then sunscreen if you'll be outdoors. Hydration and protection prevent dullness. Make sure clothes fit well. Iron or steam out wrinkles and check shoes for scuffs, swapping to a clean pair if needed. These middle steps control texture, shine, and silhouette, and they make the result feel deliberate. Finish with a quick 30-second mirror scan. Remove lint, tame stray hairs, and spot clean any stains before you step out. Apply deodorant and a light fragrance on pulse points. Carry blotting paper for shine control so you can remove oil without overwashing. If something goes wrong, a spill or heavy oiliness, act fast. Treat fabric stains with cold water and blot, not rub, for oily skin. Gently blot and reapply a lightweight moisturizer to restore balance. That one fix saves the whole look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.